So today on How It Works, we're going to be talking about PVC. You hear this term a lot in plumbing. What is a PVC pipe? And are there different types of PVC? And the answer is yes, there's different types of fittings and there's different types of pipes, and each one has a different application. I'm going to dive into that right now. So first you have your DWV or drainage fittings and pipes. The other one is going to be for pressure. So this is actually going to hold water pressure. This one is not designed to hold a lot of water pressure, okay? One is for your drainage that run through your house. So once you actually use the water, it goes down the drain. These are the pipes that we use nowadays for the water to drain through, okay? These aren't designed, number one, it uses a different glue. The glue that you use on this is not as, let's call it as strong as maybe some of the glues that you use on the pressure fittings. Like I said, this is designed for the water just to flow through it. So if you see the angles, they're very, very designed to flow, the water to flow and not get clogged or held up, okay? It's also got a lot of these pipes that we use, they're called what we call foam core, which basically the inside, to save on plastic or less plastic, they actually put a foam filling inside these as well. So this is your drainage pipes, okay? This is used for your toilet, for all the parts in your house, and they're designed for easy flow, okay? These, as you see, just in comparison, this is going to be your pressure fittings. They use a way stronger glue that you need to hold the water pressure, and here in Florida it's about 60 psi or so, okay? So it's definitely holding a lot of pressure. The next thing is that these pipes are not, they're actually designed opposite to be as compact as possible. If you see, it's a sharp turn. So if I see this mistake a lot where a certain handyman or people use these type of fittings for the drainage, and then you're gonna get clogs in these pipes. So they do come in bigger sizes, and I see this a lot when it comes with handyman and people that are not plumbers. They use these type of fittings for your drainage, and as you can imagine, since they're not designed for flow, they get a lot of clogs, and you got issues with ventilation. So you definitely don't want to use this for drainage. You want to use these for water, okay? Now inside the house, on another video I'll be talking about Cpvc, which is what's used for water piping inside the house. You're usually going to see these type of fittings outside where it's allowed through code. We can use these fittings for the main water lines. We also can use it, you see it a lot for any time that you're running sprinkler systems and irrigation. They use this PVC. This does hold the pressure, it holds all those things, but the reason you don't see it inside your house is because it doesn't hold temperature very well. So if you have hot water or extremely hot water, these are not designed to hold over a certain temperature, so they could melt or deform and cause leaks. So I hope that made you understand what PVC and the two types that you'll see, and when plumbers are talking about PVC, this is what they're talking about, okay? I hope that helped you, and another episode of How It Works. If you like the video, please leave some comments below, hit the like button. That really helps our business out, and we'll keep doing these videos. Thank you.